Welcome back to Titanium Man Garage, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I've got plenty of videos. I'm back on the 99 Sportsman that I posted about 3 weeks ago. Kind of got put on the back burner. This is the one that I posted that it was rolled, and I thought it was the choke cable giving me issues. When I would start it, it would idle fine, and I'd give it gas, it would backfire. So I went through, kind of checked the carb boot, the airlines, everything looked good. Now I'm in the middle of checking the timing. That's right on. And these 98 99s, they're known for having cam issues. So if you've never seen a bad cam, let me show you what I got. If I turn the engine, you'll be able to see the cam lobe. You see how that's worn out right here? Exhaust lobe in the center. So that is completely worn off. So that is why it was backfiring and sputtering. Exhaust valve wasn't opening correctly. And how I originally caught it was I was running this thing and I'd look at the tailpipe. And when it idled fine. There was no white smoke coming out. And when I gave it throttle and let off, I noticed a big puff of white smoke. So my first thought was, okay, maybe it's a head gasket. Then I thought, well, you know what? Let's check that cam because the valves might not be opening correctly. And sure enough, I was correct. Now, if it would have been blowing white smoke constantly, that would have told me it was a head gasket for sure. But only when I gave her throttle and backed off, white smoke popped out. So I'm going to put a new cam in, and hopefully that'll cure my problem. I will post a link on how to replace a camshaft. I've done this a couple times and I posted a video on it. So if you're wondering how it's done, check out my channel and I'll see if I can get a link on here so you guys can go right to it. So stay tuned for the next episode and I'll get this bad boy running.